Two tunnels through the canyon walls on each side of the river, each 56 feet in diameter and approximately 4,000 feet long. The four tunnels took 2 years to complete. With the tunnels open and coffer dams in place, the Colorado River had no choice but to leave its riverbed and flow through the man-made corridors. With the river diverted, the project averaged 3,500 workers a day, working 3 shifts, 7 days a week with only 2 days off a year. The pay scale started at $4 a day, a good wage in the midst of the Great Depression sweeping America. Amid the country's economic uncertainty, the workers in this canyon gave new life to the nation's spirit, as they gave new life to the desert Southwest.
This is an engineering victory of the First Order, another great achievement of American resourcefulness, American skill, and American determination. And that is why I have the right once more to congratulate you who have builded Hoover Dam.
The Senate committee endorsed construction of Hoover Dam in 1928. Its report said, a mighty river, now a source of destruction, is to be curbed and put to work in the interests of society. And so it was. Hoover Dam brought the desert flood control, a reliable supply of water, electrical power, and more. From Lake Mead has created some of the most productive farmland in the country. Farms in Arizona, Southern California, and Mexico, irrigated by these controlled flows, produce over $1 billion worth of vegetables and fruits throughout the year for dinner tables across the nation. The clear reservoirs and controlled river stretches resulting from construction of Hoover and other dams have created year-round recreational opportunities at the National Park Service's Lake Mead Recreation Area and other locations along the Colorado River.
That forms a white ring on the lake, and that's what gives you kidney stones. So drink a small glass of red wine after dinner, clean out the kidneys. Not a bunch of bottles or gallons, 1 or 2 glasses. The brown on my left side here is copper. This brown here is copper, and the green is algae. The rock is a volcanic rock. Is around 13 million years old. There's no dinosaur always found here to my knowledge. And they found a small amount of gold. They kept their mouth shut for the shoes. But no big amount.
On the back of your ticket? Nope. Didn't see the big sign? Nope. It's okay, we don't have...
Here, we're inside this diversion tunnel. But we're also standing right on top of this pipe. And that is the pipe you see out the window. Control the population. You got one lane going to the Grand Canyon. At 130 degrees temperature, your radio blows up, the water blows up. To get it to around here, it's by hours. We make the shaft spin, produce electricity. Water comes out Lake Mojave at 10 miles an hour and goes to Arizona, California, and Mexico.